My name is Eliza Foreman.
I'm Sarah McLennan.
I'm Catherine Yue.
My name's Jessica Touma.
My name's Sylvia Barton, and I've been with Optus for 25 years.
So Optus have invested in me by giving me the opportunity to be a part of various training programs such as the Talent Leadership Program.
In my profession, especially in the 2000s, there weren't a lot of female mentors. So Optus invested in my external training in executive coaching and development.
Female diversity at the leadership level provides longer-term value for a company and greater shareholder growth.
It's really critical for fostering diversity in thinking and perspectives.
Females bring a different dimension. The women that I've worked with, especially working mothers, genuinely care about their team and they really want their team to develop.
Women are often great collaborators and great communicators, which really empowers people in the workplace, especially females, to do their best.
Who inspires me? Working mums, because that's a juggle.
Quinton Bryce, the ex-Governor of Australia, I think she's achieved so much and been such a great advocate of equality.
My daily mantra is having a positive mindset.
Having gratitude.
Focus on the things that I can influence and change.
You can do it, give it a go.